Hi guys, welcome to video 2 of week 2 for Algebra 1. We're going to keep going with our equations with variables on both sides. Today though we're going to add parentheses and talk a little bit about what that means. So basically whenever you see parentheses, you're probably distributing, okay? So here we have 3 times 6 minus f. So that means that the whole thing inside those parentheses needs to be multiplied by 3. So we have to distribute that 3. So 3 times 6 and 3 times negative f. Okay, so that's 18 minus 3f, and then we bring down the rest of our equation. 3f minus 4. Okay, so now, before we start solving for our variable, we need to make sure that we have combined all the possible like terms that we can combine, okay? So here I have 18 and negative 4, so that's going to give me 14. Right, 18 minus 4, and then bring down that minus 3f, and then over here I just bring down my 3f minus 4. Okay, so now I need to decide which side I want my variables on, which side I want my numbers on. I like to keep my variables on the left, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to subtract this 14 from both sides. Okay, cross it out over here because that cancels. Bring down my negative 3f. And then negative 4 minus 14. It's really plus and negative, so it's going to be 3f minus 18. Okay, and then my 3f over here is positive, so I'm going to subtract it from both sides. Cancel it over here. Negative 3f minus 3f is really plus and negative, so it's going to be negative 6f. Equals negative 18. So f divided by negative 6 divided by negative 6 equals 3. Okay, so you basically just go through and solve it the same. Sorry, my other problem got in the way there. After you do all your distributing and combining of like terms. Okay, let's do the next one. Right, and can you guys see that one down there? Yeah, that's right. So I have this negative on the outside of my parentheses. So essentially it's a negative 1 times 4 plus h. So I need to distribute that negative. So it's negative 1 times 4 would be negative 4. Negative 1 times h would be negative h equals 3h. Okay? So now, since I only have variables on this side, well, I have a number too, but I only have terms with variables on this side. I'm going to keep my variables on the right this time. So I'm going to add that h on both sides because it's negative over here. So we do the inverse operation, right? So negative h, so plus h cancels it. 3h plus h. So now I have negative 4 equals 3h plus h is 4h. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. And then I have negative 1 equals h. Okay? So the parentheses basically just mean that you have to distribute and then possibly combine some like terms. Okay? So I'm going to put your assignment up so that you can copy it down. Maybe grab a piece of paper and a pencil if you don't already have one, so that you can copy that down. Okay, you can pause it right here and write it down. Just 4 of the equations, all with the distributing. So remember to distribute to the parentheses and then combine like terms and then start flip-flopping things from side to side to get all your variables together and all your numbers together, okay? Okay. Remember, that is what you're going to turn into me via Zoom, or take a picture and email it to me and I'll submit it to the drawing so you could possibly win the $25 gift card. We do that every week. If you also complete your con assignments, there's 2 ways that you can get in the drawings for the $25 gift card. They're 2 separate drawings, so you have 2 separate chances. So your odds of winning go up if you do all the assignments, okay? Remember, my office hours are Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 9 for math questions and at 12 for social time. If you have any questions, email me. I'm always around, okay? Thanks, guys.